I ran into this last week. Here's what Fix did for me. If you've found an unexpected charge on your Barclays card, disputing it can feel daunting. Here is a straightforward guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Review your statement. Check your recent transactions on your Barclays statement to confirm the charge in question. Make sure it is not a purchase you forgot about or a recurring payment. Step 2. Gather documentation. Collect any relevant documents that support your claim, such as receipts, emails, or screenshots. This evidence will strengthen your case when you contact Barclays. Step 3. Contact customer service. Call the Barclays customer service number or use their online chat feature. Explain the situation clearly and provide the details of the charge you want to dispute. Step 4. Follow up in writing. After your initial contact, send a follow-up email or letter summarizing your dispute and attaching any documentation. This creates a record of your claim. Step 5. Monitor the resolution. Keep an eye on your account and any communications from Barclays regarding your dispute. They may take a few days to investigate, so patience is key. Remember, if you don't hear back in a reasonable time, don't hesitate to reach out again. Good luck, and I hope you get your issue resolved quickly.